Hi guys, it's Steve from Sarah Designs. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Today we're doing I say it all the time, a quick video, hopefully. It is where do we go? Goodwill haul. I've been finding some good crafting items at my local Goodwill store. We usually go every Saturday. And this Saturday was no exceptions to the goodies we found. So I'm going to get into it real quick and show you what I found. First item, I already tried to take this off, but it was $1.99. It's like a lipstick holder thingy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 24 slots. I was hoping to use it for my markers, but my thought was to put it this way, but it won't work. So I have to put it this way. But I already have a thing up there for them. So I don't know yet what I'm going to do with this, but I'm sure I'll find something. I mean, I have other stuff over to the side. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what I want to do with it. I also have a clear one that I don't even use. I don't even know where it is, to be honest with you. But I bought a bigger clear one for the same idea in mind, and I don't even know what I did with it. It's empty and it's somewhere here. So I don't know what I was thinking with this. Anyway, that was that. Next is the stamp from Dovecraft, I'm sorry, Fairy Tales, 9 clear stamps. I'm assuming this came in with the card making magazine. You know how you get the magazine and you can get these. Magazines are pretty expensive, but you can get stamps with it. And usually when I see the magazines at the craft store, the reason I buy them would be for the stamps or the die cuts or whatever. This was $2.99, but on the other side it said $2.49, so I'm not sure which I paid for it. But they're brand new. Let's open them. Never been used. Oh good, they have the double, because as you may know, I'm in the middle of organizing and I'm still cataloging my stamps and my die cuts. So, that's them. Yes, I smelled them. They have no smell. Alright, next I found, it says Christmas card stencils. It looks very juvenile, which it is. Okay, fine. But it's stencils. If you guys are veterans to my channel, you know I love my stencils. It says it was $5.99. I paid $1.99. It comes with 20. There are over 20 simple shapes to choose from. I never saw these before. I was hoping the insides would have been there, but they're not. Because that would have been cool too to have. You would have double. But you get snowflake. Are all the backs the same? Yeah, all the backs are the same. They're heavy duty cardboard. What do you call it? Chipboard. So you get a snowflake, you get a reindeer, you get a penguin. How cute. A Santa. Stars and moons. Snowman. Santa sleigh. Stocking. Bells. Teddy bear. Chocolate candy. Oh, candy cane. Crown. Present and holly. Christmas tree. An angel. And a fairy. So I thought that'd be cool to add to my collection. If I don't even use them, that's fine. $1.99. Can't go wrong. Got that. Next, I'm going to show you my book thus far, too. That's what I've been doing with my stamps. This box I saw. It was $4.99. I like the box. It's a big box. Let me zoom you out. That's as far as you can zoom. Pretty big Tupperware tubby. It's got containers here, indents here. It has centimeters and inches engraved here. It says 1 mile equals 1760. It has some measurements on here. Length conversion. I don't know why you would need it. I don't know what this kit is for. It has these stickers, so I'm assuming it was a kid's put a toy together or some kind of crafty thing for kids. But it has all these crafty items like little brads. It's got all these popsicle sticks, little embellishments, little rubber bands, eyeballs, corks, little pom-poms, little spools. That's in this part. And over here, it's got these wooden dowels. It's got bottle caps. Trust me, they're plain bottle caps. Little, what do you call these things? Clothespins, wire, these little guys, more little popsicle sticks, glue, styrofoam balls, these beads, wooden gears, and just little wooden geometric shapes. There is, before I speak, I was going to say there's no directions to speak of. Let me see. No directions. Cool container. No idea what it was for originally, but all these little crafty items inside it. I figure why not? And you get stickers. I don't know what I would do with stickers, but for $4.99. That's that. Then, my biggest bargain of the day is a bag of wooden stamps for $4.99. Wow. This one doesn't look like it was ever used. This is, I believe, yeah, Anna Griffin stamp. That's like a $12, $15 item right there, right? Her stuff's pretty expensive. And the big background stamps are expensive. From Santa, red rubber. Another Anna Griffin one. Fourth of July, or this is from Recollections. It's from Michael's. Fireworks. This looks like whoever had it had a dog that was using it as a chew toy. There's lollipops. The stamp's intact though. This one here, where's this one from? I don't know. Just like a little border stampy. This one here is pineapple from Inkadoo. I don't think they're in business anymore though. I remember somebody saying they were not any longer in business, but I could be wrong. Yeah, it's Inkadoo. Never used. Oh yeah, it was used. Alrighty, little one. This is from Anna Griffin, I believe. No, hers are always stamped differently. I don't know who this is from. This must all be from the same. With Love at Christmas. Must be all from the same kit because it's kind of. This is little Carl. Oh, I love this one. Little Carl. A gift for you. Yeah, this must be from the same. Same set. This one here must be from the same set also. Little angel. They must all be from the same set. Christmas tree. It says Merry Christmas. That was used quite a bit. And finally, this big coral one. Who's this from? Recollections. Was the other coral one from Recollections? It says Fan Coral. All Night Media. Oh, I got all that, guys, for $4.99, $5 for all those. Isn't that awesome? I was thrilled. Our whole order, we got some other items. One of the items we got was one of those grabber thingies, because we're always dropping stuff, or stuff gets, like, falls behind the sofa or something, and you have to move the sofa to get to it. And it's a pain in the ass. So we got a grabber thing, and we can't find it, so we think we left it there. So we called, and the girl's like, yeah, I remember ringing you up. I remember ringing up the grabber, but I don't see it here. So we don't know what happened to it. We don't know if it was left in the cart, or if it was left on the counter, and somebody else took it. We don't know. We don't know what happened. But anyway, that's my haul for today, guys, from the Dollar Tree. But real quick, I want to do a flip through. This is only, I did 2 boxes of my stamps so far. Just 2 boxes. These I still have to put into some semblance of order. So these aren't in page protectors yet. But I have them in some kind of order here, a little bit. I have to redo where these go, but here's my backgrounds. And then I have the numbers as to where they are in my craft room. Here's birthday, which I have a lot more birthday. I have a lot of Stampin' Up! Birthdays. But I haven't done the Stampin' Up! Box yet. My animals, which actually goes into critters also. Critters and animals. Miscellaneous, which I need to put a thing in here for. Miscellaneous. This is ABC's 1, 2, 3s, which should technically be in the front of the book. Some of them I didn't stamp too well, but you get the gist of them. This one here, floral, I think. Flowers and plants. Which should also be under nature too. Which I kind of, nature-y stuff is in here. And then here's all my sentiments. I have more sentiments than I thought. Sentiments, sentiments, sentiments. These are all sentiments. Some of them are birthday, so they're in the birthday section too. This is, so far, there's shapes. Still work in progress. Season. I was going to do seasons, fall, spring, you know, but spring would be flowers too. So then I was like, yeah, forget that idea. This is my holiday section, Christmas, which I have boxes full of Christmas stuff that I haven't done yet, but this is just what I had. Valentine's, Halloween, more Christmas, more Valentine's, and some more page protectors. So that's what I have so far for my book. Still work in progress. Now I have more to do, which I kept saying I'm not going to buy more, but how do you pass it up when you see such a great bargain? You know what I mean? Can't pass it up. Anyway, guys, that's my video for today. I still have to do the try on Temu stuff video. That'll be coming soon. I haven't done it yet. I just haven't. What else? That's it. I have some more Temu stuff coming, so I'll do another couple haul videos because I have some big orders coming. And that's it, guys. I hope you're having a good week. Please, no negative comments. They will be deleted, as always. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.